How much of this world do we truly understand? Some of it, most of it, or none at all. My guess is we have only just scratched the surface. And even at these earliest stages of discovery, we entrench ourselves into ideas and notions. I have never understood that about ourselves, why we limit our wonder. Recently, I happened to watch a documentary on television. 9 scientists each took turns explaining the impossible discoveries they were embarked upon. Microorganisms, time and space, black matter, consciousness. Fathomless questions that these brilliant minds were determined to shine light on. It made me hopeful. A dear friend of mine introduced me to the notion of a holographic universe. I am still learning about what that actually means, but at the very beginning of this idea is that all things are connected. Now, this is nothing new. Aboriginal cultures have lived this way for as far back as we've reached. This sense that all of it matters, the depletion of one, a loss to the whole. In a holographic universe, this connection is far more profound, I believe. For such a place operates under the notion that why things look and behave the way they do is due to the act of observation itself. What we see is. Imagine that for a moment. Our looking at the universe makes it what it is. When this possibility first sunk into my brain cells, they immediately rejected it wholeheartedly. How would I know what something looked like without having seen it first? Can you conjure something from nothing? Or is it always drawn from something else? When a blind person who has never seen color can pull a red crayon from a package when asked to do so, what are they seeing? Maybe this connectedness is something else entirely. Indulge me for a minute, for I am only peering into the dark with a very dim light. The universe is made of energy that neither adds nor subtracts from itself. The same energy that was there in the moment of creation exists today, forming our stars and building our homes. Thought is energy. The tiny pulses that travel through your brain are made of the same energy as the sun and what it pours out across the heavens. Now, stay with me. Memory is energy. We have mapped it as it happens. Tiny firings of light that resemble so many other things that hold us in just as much awe. The blind person knows the red crayon, just as the room does, or the paper it is drawn across, or the crayon itself. Everything carrying everything within, an image of the infinite. So, when you open your eyes and look around you, what if what you see is the memory of the universe to that point, just all reflected back? And what you do next will imprint forever. Would that change your actions? Your feelings? What would you leave behind for the next blink? And this just doesn't affect you. It transcends, like the universe itself. If your actions impacted everything, would you alter your course? Now, the possibilities are endless. And I like that.